Hi students, how are you? I hope you're great. Welcome to Expressing My Opinions. Today we're going to check the use of phrases to express opinions. So first we're going to check what is an expression or opinion. Is the process of making known one's thoughts or feelings. Also, it is an opinion is a judgment, viewpoint, or statement that is not conclusive, rather than facts, which are true statements. So, today we're going to check a video from YouTube in order to you get familiarized with these phrases and how to express opinions.
Tell me, Steve, what's your opinion about our new teacher?
In my opinion, she is very kind, hardworking, and competent.
I totally agree with you.
Adam, what do you think about Facebook?
In fact, I believe that Facebook is a real waste of time and energy. What about you?
Well, I disagree. For me, Facebook is one of the best communication means in the world.
Very good. Could you see the phrases and how these persons express their opinions? Okay, now I'm going to provide you some useful expressions to express your opinion. For example, in my opinion, in my eyes. Also we have from my point of view, as for me, as to me, my view, my opinion, my belief, my impression, my conviction is that, I will say that, my impression is that, I have the feeling that, I think that. So, those are some of the expressions that you can use when you express your opinions. We have some examples. We have the topic soccer versus basketball. So, this girl is expressing her opinion. In my opinion, basketball is better than soccer. So, the boy says, I don't think so. I will say that soccer has the biggest competition. So, as you can see, they are using phrases to express their opinions. Now, you can include those phrases to express your opinions. Thank you very much. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next class.